Hello, how to solve this radical problem? We have square root of 2 plus square root of t equals 2. We are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, in order to eliminate the square root, we can decide to take the squares of both parts of this equation. We have square root of 2 plus square root of t raised to the power of 2, and this equals 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus 2 times ab plus b power 2. And in this case, this is my a, this is my b, so I'm going to have, this is square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 times square root of 2 times square root of t plus b squared, that is square root of t raised to the power of 2, and this equals 2 power 2. So from here, this cancels this, we have 2 plus, if you multiply this, you have 2 times square root of 2t plus this cancels this, we have t, this equals 4. So from here, what you can do is to move this t over here and also move this 2 over here. So we are going to have 2 times square root of 2t equals 4 minus t minus 2. So from here, you have 2 times square root of 2t equals 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus t. From here, you divide this by 2, divide this by 2. 2 cancel 2. You have square root of 2t equals 2 minus t divided by 2. In order to eliminate the square root, you take the squares of both parts of this equation again. So what you are going to have is this cancel this. You have 2 times t equals 2 minus t divided by 2 times 2 minus t divided by 2. So from here, you have 2 times t equals, let's expand this, 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times minus t, that is minus 2t minus t times 2. That is minus 2t minus t times minus t. This is plus t power 2 divided by 4. From here, we cross multiply. We have 4 times 2t, that is 8t equals 4. Minus this is 4t plus t power 2. From here, we move this 8t over here. We have 0 equals 4 minus 4t plus t power 2 minus 8t. So from here, we are going to have 0 equals, this is 4 minus 12t plus t power 2. So let's rearrange this. We are going to have t power 2 minus 12t plus 4 equals 0. So from here, we are going to solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. We have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So 1 is the equation of t squared, that is my a, this is my b, which is negative 12, c is 4. So from here, I'm going to have t equals negative times negative 12 plus or minus square root of b squared negative 12 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4. This is divided by 2 times 1. So from here you have t equals, this is 12 plus or minus square root of, this is 144 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, you simply have t equals 12 plus or minus, this is square root of 128 divided by 2. So from here, you simply have, this is 12 plus or minus. We can express 128 as 64 times 2 divided by 2. So from here, you have t equals, this is 12 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8 times root 2 divided by 2. From here, you have t equals this, cancel this, 6 cancel this, 4. You have 6 plus or minus 4 times root 2. So you have two solutions for t, two complex solutions. You have t1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2. And you have t2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. These are the two complex solutions. Now what we are going to do is to test for the two complex solutions, and let's check if they are going to satisfy the equation. So right here you have check. You have t1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2, and you have t2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. We are going to test them using the original equation, which is square root of 2 plus square root of t equals 2. Let's start with this one here. We have square root of 2 plus square root of this is 6 plus 4 root 2 equals 2. Square root of 2 will give you a number greater than 1 but less than 2. While this will give you a number, this plus here, while this will give you a number, this is 5 point something, so this will give you a number greater than 3. So you're having a number greater than 1 but less than 2 plus a number greater than 3. This will definitely give you a number greater than 2. So this is obviously not a solution because it's giving us something greater than 2. So you come over here, this particular solution here is obviously not the correct answer because it's giving us something greater than 2. Let's consider this 6 minus 4 root 2. We have t equals 6 minus 4 root 2. We are going to consider this, so let's make use of it. We have square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus, that's t. Let me put it here, square root of t equals 2. Our t is this, so we have square root of 2 plus square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is it equals 2. Question mark. This is greater than 1 but less than 2 plus this. 4 root 2 is about 5 point something, so this is about 6 minus 5 point something. Square root of this is about less than 1. So this is about 1.2 something, so this is less than 1, possibly 0 point something, maybe 0.7 also. If you add this to this, you definitely have something equals to 2. So this is the closest answer because this 6 minus 4 root 2 is less than 1. Square root of 2 is about 1.4 or 1.4. So this is about 1.6, 0.6 also. If you make use of your calculator, you definitely have 2 from this. So this becomes the closest answer based on what we have done, 6 minus 4 root 2. So that is the solution right now, and that is what we are going to take. So we take that one as our solution, 6 minus 4 root 2. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.